We are at the beautiful Trona Pinnacles. We are on our way out, but I want to give you a quick tour of my Scamp before we leave. Missing this roof vent, so I could just totally go out of my camper here. So I have to fix this soon. You can see how wet it got. But yeah, it's just completely wet in here. My favorite part of this camper has got to be the bed system. This is what the bed looks like under. I'm really happy with this design because it lets the mattress breathe. So if you have like, see, all of this surface area is the mattress, so there's no mold that develops under there. Having a bed frame like this kind of eliminates that problem, and it's also lighter. It's lighter than just plywood. So yeah, the bed's working out really well. I have space for a wood stove right here. It actually goes out that window. The slide out's working pretty good. So this is kind of just a quick and dirty tour. You know, I got a couple hooks up front. I love this floor. You could see how dirty the ground is. That's why I like these mats so much, is like I could have my shoes off right here and I'm not stepping in any of that dirt. When I shower, I put the shower head right here, and so sometimes it gets wet there, so it's actually good that this felt stuff isn't here, because sometimes I shower right here. Got my Coleman hot water heater. I have to say, having a sink like this has been a game changer. It's so nice to be able to wash dishes easily, brush my teeth. And I really like the foot pump because I don't waste a lot of water. Like if I just need a little bit, just pump it a little and it's good. This is kind of like my little workstation. So this definitely needs to be improved. I'm gonna kind of make a better version of this pretty soon here. But I have my Jackery, my computer, and just all of my electronics here. So this cord goes to my solar panel, which I have staked down right there. It's pulling in about 65 watts right now. Got my Coleman stove. My fan, so everything is powered by the Jackery. This is kind of my pantry, so I just have this pull out, just have some food. It doesn't really work too well. I want to put a cabinet here eventually. And I like the openness of the bottom there, but that's where I kind of keep all of my pots and pans, kitchen utensils and things. So the cabinets, I just kind of hold like this when I'm driving. And then when I'm not driving, I have them like that, and it gives a good grip to open them up. But I got my teas, kind of my spices, and then this side I have like my toothbrush, toiletries, my shampoo and brush and stuff. So I do want to make this work a little bit better, but it works for now. In this cabinet, I just have all my clothes. So just, you know, towel, just all of my clothes are here. My squeegee thing. All of Hudson's stuff is down here. So this is like his dog food. He's got some bones and like his jacket and his towel for him. So that's that. This area, I have my fishing pole, my fly fishing poles back there. I just have like down jackets, things that I don't use all the time, but that are easy to get out of here. So got a blanket or two down there. So this is a 0 degree Teton Sports queen size sleeping bag. And I also have a down comforter that I keep in it. And this keeps me really warm at night. It can be down like, you know, in the single digits, and I could sleep well with that, especially with Hudson. There's a few other things I want to do to it just to kind of tweak it a little bit more to suit my needs. But overall, it's coming along. I really like the windows. So all of the windows you can take completely off. And then I have them so they're basically limo tinted, so you can't really see in at all, but you can see out really nicely. It kind of blocks a lot of the UV light and it keeps it kind of cool in there. This is where my sink comes out. So I've been here for like over a week. And so like this is like all my waste from all my dishes, brushing my teeth. So you can see it works really well. Like you can't even see that I was here. It looks just wet. So it's kind of cool. Like I've never used a sink like this, but just to have like minimal impact seems to work pretty well. I thought it would be the opposite, like having a sink would make it like dirtier, but it actually keeps camp more clean. We're leaving the Pinnacles today. Dude, I feel like I'm in the Canyonlands. It's hard to make that hill look big with the GoPro, but we're about to go for it, and there's this big puddle in front of us, so I think we'll be all right. But yeah, we're saying goodbye to the Pinnacles for now. This is a really cool place. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next one.